We're heading out right now to do what we call Winner's Circle. And when you hit your number at my office for the quarter, your expectation, your goal, we do something cool. Today we're going to shoot guns. We're going to shoot all kinds of guns, from semi-automatic machine guns all the way to pistols. People can bring their own guns that they have. I mean, heck, we live in Texas. Everybody seems to have a gun. It's important that we all get out of the office. We talk to ourselves. We see what's going on in our lives. We blow off some steam by shooting, I don't know how many rounds of ammo we're going to shoot, but it'll be a bunch. We'll have lunch brought in and we'll just talk and have a good time for a little while. It's a reward for a quarter hard felt, hard fought, and achieved. That's the idea of Winner's Circle, man, and I'm happy to do it, and I want to keep doing it.